everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing well. This is Sai Diamond on the side, wishing you all a lovely and a cheerful day. Now it's your duty to make my day lovely by giving this video a cute little thumbs up and also subscribing to my YouTube channel. With that, let's get started for today's segment where I am making a chocolate cookie keychain. For that, I am using Fevicryl molded clay and hardener, and I'm going to mix both of them together, blend it and give it a proper cookie shape using a lid. And now to add detail to my cookie, I will be making cute choco chips and eyes so that my cookie looks cute and nice. And once I'm done making all of them, I will be pasting them on my cookie with the help of Fevicol so that they don't fall off. And now with a needle kind of a thing, let's add the actual cookie texture to my cookie keychain. And yeah, the final step is my favorite step, is to paint it using acrylic paints. Okay, by the time I complete painting my cute little choco chip cookie, you guys comment your favorite food emoticon or your favorite tea time snack. And yeah, you can also suggest what would you like to see next. Guys, we are done. And if you like this video, feel free to be a part of my YouTube family. Let's slay together. Much love. Bye.